Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to the first annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and audited accounts for the period up to 30th June 12 have been in your hands for some time now, and with your permission I take them as read. Para. It is structure of shareholdings may be taken as an index. Your company has been favored by a wide degree of public support. Subscriptions is where widely distributed on a regional basis and also according to the size of applications. Para. The Government of India issued in license to a number of industrial undertakings for expansion of capacity and or setting up of new units for the production of automobile tire and tubes within the planned target. At the present, there are 10 units licensed for the manufacture of automobile tires and tubes, out of which 6 are in operation as against 2 in 1990-91. In genuine interest of a healthy growth of the industry as a whole, the government would, I am certain, consider the desirability of regulating their licensing policy in such a manner as to enable the new enterprises sanctioned to achieve economic production and establish themselves on a sound footing. Para. Your company represents of the undertakings licensed for establishing a new tire plant in West Bengal with a capacity of 15,000 numbers of each of tires and tubes per month. You should have got an idea about the progress of the company from the director's report already circulated to you. Construction of the main factory, building, stores, canteen and offices is fast nearing completion. Out of the import license of for plant and machinery worth rupees 2 crores obtained by the company, a major portion has already been received at the factory site and further shipments are on the way. It is expected that delivery of all plant and machinery to be imported from Japan will be completed by 2012. According to arrangements with the technical collaborators, a team of erectors is expected to be at the factory site shortly to supervise the erection of plant and machinery. The technical personnel deputed by the company to Japan for training and finalization of the project report have returned to India. If there is no serious hold-up in the present program, the plant at the factory will be commissioned for trial production by the middle of next year, which should be accepted as a good performance. Para. In order that your company may play its proper role in the tire manufacturing industry in the country, your directors have decided to expand the scope of its activities, and accordingly an application has been made to the Government of India for permission to expand and diversify the company's operation by installing further and or fresh capacity for the manufacture of tires and tubes for cars, trucks and buses, motorcycles and scooters, etc. Para. Regard to other important raw materials also, namely tire cord, bed wire, valves, carbon black, the country is yet largely dependent on imports. It is gratifying to note that steps are being taken to arrange for more effective production. Be ready.